In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the can't matchmaking in Elden Ring Nightreign. So it's very easy. If you have a problem in your multiplayer password, let's say ADADSD, something like that, then you have single player on here or you have multiplayer here. So we're gonna try here. Matchmaking failed because I only have one members, and I can't really matchmake. There's also number of password players. It's either two or three players, depends on um so that's like two players using password, the remaining possible by player without password. So it's just a bit weird. So group password here, uh it's you need to configure this much better, because if you have the multiplayer password and group password and this password are a bit not set up correctly, your game's not gonna start properly, or if you only have two players on board. But if you are using Seamless Co-op, the mod, you could check in your ini file on your Seamless Co-op to check if you have. So let's go here. So I have Nightreign here on my games. You can find this on Steam. But I have Nightreign here. You can find the same folder in Seamless Co-op. So you can go to SNR settings. So I have here that scaling. So you have the ini here. So scaling gameplay if you have like a two player or something like that. So mine seamless co-op's already updated, so I don't need to change that one. So that's how you can do it, guys. If you fix matchmaking. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.